Howdy champs, my name is Mohit, and people, let me tell you, there are two kinds of classes in Flash Pro. Ones that Flash creates, rather is inbuilt into Flash, and ones that you create, you manufacture, you decide, and those classes are called custom classes in Flash. So you see out here, I have a class name, I have a class called draw circle, and this file draw circle is actually a pure ActionScript file, and it's a custom created file. It's a file that I created, I manufactured just a few minutes ago, and I want to show you the efficacy of creating your own custom classes. Through an example, you'll see how useful they actually can be. So people, now this is the draw circle class, right? I'll come back to it a little later, but before that, let me open up a new Flash file. So let me click on the ActionScript 3 option out here, say OK, and first things first, let me save it in the same folder. That's really important. In the same folder in which we have the .as extension ActionScript file. Okay, the custom class has an extension of .as. So the Flash file should be in the same folder. So I'm gonna, for simplicity's sake, I'm keeping it in the same folder. Although it's not compulsory, people. So I'm calling this Flash file circle, and it's a FLA file, right? Let me save it up. Okay, then let me create a new instance of the draw circle custom class. So the way to do it is declare a variable, give it a name. Let's go with my circle, right? And then data type it to your class name, right? And that is actually draw circle space equals space new draw circle, and then I need to pass in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parameters. The first one is the line thickness. Let's go with 1, comma, the fill, so any color. How about 0x 55 0000, right? That's the color that I've chosen. You just prefix 0x before the hex code or the hexadecimal color, and then the x coordinate where you want the circle to be placed. How about 100? Rather, let's go with 200. So 200 y coordinate 200. People, you have a pop-up or a tooltip that's going to help you, right? And then the radius, how about 75? Okay, these were the only 5 parameters of the arguments that are needed to feed in, and then through the addChild method I can push the circle onto the stage wherever I at x and y coordinates 200 each. So addChild my circle, the object name, the object of the class my circle, draw circle, that's the custom class, right? So my circle, that's all that I need. Let me save the file up, Control S, hit Control Enter to export the Swift tester movie, and that's the circle for you, created through my own custom class, which was the draw circle class, right? People, this way we can have so many custom classes created, and that we can use over and over again. Now this draw circle.as file, which is actually a custom class, can not only be used by this FLA file, which is the circle FLA file, but can be used by another Flash file as well. So once you have created your own custom classes, since they are now publicly available because of this phrase public, then I can use even yet another Flash file. So they are available with for other files too. So that's the good news. That's really great. And you see how easy it is to create a circle, which if I didn't have this custom created class would be a little cumbersome to create, a little longer to create. The code would be something like variable my circle of the type movie clip is equal to a new movie clip, and then addChild my circle, and my circle.graphics.line thickness is equal to so and so, my circle.graphics.begin fill so and so, my circle.graphics.draw circle method, and so you would have to write more lines. But once you actually create your own custom AS file, ActionScript file, you can then use it with the multiple flash files, and it's actually kept external to your flower file, so you don't have to mix all the script on the timeline itself, so you keep it externally. So people, in the next part, I'm gonna create this draw circle custom class and explain it from scratch, but for this part we'll just be satisfied with the fact that custom classes are useful. They can be used with multiple multiple flash files. If you were to download this AS file, then you might as well use it with your own projects with the same syntax that I've actually used out here in the actions panel, right? So we'll need to wait to understand how did we manufacture the draw circle custom class. Till then, people, you have a good day, and be back for more. See ya. Bye bye.